Hello and welcome to the second day of the Altair Student Learning Series. You are welcome to listen to track 1 about how to use composite simulation to achieve lighter designs. So you probably all know that composite materials can be used to basically design lighter structures, to use the material laws and benefits of the composites to save some weight while maintaining a high stiffness in your structure. So this track will be presenting Joe Liu of car racing in Germany, who is giving an introduction in composite simulation and composite setup as he used it in the car racing monocoque layout. And next up is Felix of Digital Dynamics, who will be demoing the setup of a composite optimization within the following programs. The first one being the modeling environment of Altair HyperWorks. So using Altair HyperWorks, you can mesh and design and give the properties for a composite simulation using the solver OptiStruct at a later stage for the simulation part. HyperWorks will enable you to set up different ply directions, material directions, stacking sequences for a composite, and also will enable you to post-process the results, for example, after your simulation, how to determine ply failure or how to determine the thickness and optimum layout of your composite structure. So let's welcome Joe Liu, starting with the car racing presentation. And next up, Felix Brüggemann, showing and demoing the setup of a structural composite optimization using HyperWorks and OptiStruct. Enjoy the upcoming presentation and demo.